Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the PC. This protects you and the hardware. Once done, ground yourself by touching metal or wearing a wrist strap. Now remove the side panel screws and lift the panel off, and make sure to place it on a soft surface where it won't scratch. Keep a flashlight and small Phillips screwdriver nearby so you can inspect tight spaces and fasteners without fumbling. You should now visually scan the interior. Identify 5-inch bays near the front or bottom where SATA SSDs mount. Some cases use adapters. Then move to the motherboard and locate M2 slots, usually labeled M2 or NVMe, and positioned near PCIe slots. Make sure to note available standoffs and existing cables. SATA power and data ports indicate a SATA drive path. If visibility is poor, angle the flashlight and remove obstructing cables gently so you can confirm mounting options. You mount the SSD, secure a 5-inch drive in a tray or insert the M2 at an angle and fasten the screw, then reconnect SATA data and power cables if applicable. Once done, replace the side panel, plug in power, and boot into BIOS to confirm the drive appears. If the BIOS doesn't list it, make sure to reseat cables or the M2. Try another SATA port and verify BIOS storage settings. Doing this isolates connection versus configuration problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.